Ever bought a new gadget and instantly hate it? That's me with my new Fitbit Charge 6. This wristband? No. And the default clock? Straight out of the 70s. Luckily, it's easy to change the clock face. Let me show you how. Don't settle for Google's retro ugly default. First, we open the Fitbit app. Then we click on the device button. Then we click on the device button again. That brings us to the device menu. From there, you click on the gallery. Finally, here we can find the clocks option. Pick something that looks good. I picked the one at the bottom. I think it's called Target. Quick question. What do you use your fitness tracker for? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to follow for wearable device advice. I'm Tom Smoot, biomedical engineer with 8 years in a lab and always curious how our bodies work. Got any other Fitbit frustrations or wearable tech questions? I'm your guy.